This is the process of how it's doing it. So sauce will be displayed on top.
And I say Kalis. Wow, Munga say. I dig in a corner. Regulotilen Ganya Kibarbangi. Teulo Kamai Taranga Kamadwaji. Lerla Dulu Fatu Serin Salu. Regulotilen Ganya Kibarban.
Sale, just near the seaside, 50 meters at the seaside, and they process everything over here like that. A big company, a big business for the individuals over here. Wow. Hello brothers, sisters, how y'all doing? This boy Cookie with Sindaco, and I'm back again. Yes, I'm in Senegal, connecting dots, yeah. And over here on today's video, I'll be showing you how they make the process stockfish, or stockfish, KAKO Momoni, anything that you know, yeah. We have been eating stockfish and so many years. I don't know the procedure of how they do it, and I know it was Gambia that they process this kind of fish, but over here in Senegal too, they process stockfish, and I'll take you around to see how the process is done. If this is the first time watching, can you subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother, make sure you subscribe, follow us on Facebook, TikTok, who is Sindaco. Let's do this. This is an amazing discovery video for me, and I hope you will love it. So I've been so curious to find out how salted fish is done, and I believe you also. Here is Saleh in Senegal. It's one of the busiest seashore in Senegal. The sea produces tons of fish every day, so fish over here is always abundant. And they use all kinds of fish for this stock and salted fish, which is also known as KAKO or Momoni in Ghana. So this is the starting point, and before they start, they make sure that they bisect the fish that they will use for the process and take out all the gas, then store them in a basin filled with salt water and salt, and to make sure that they preserve it very well, because it's the salt that will prolong the lifespan of the fish. And since they process both the soft and the hard one, the method of the processes is different. The fish is stored inside a basin containing salt water, and then salt is added, allowing it to soak for 10 days. One thing we West Africans love about this fish and meat is the flavor that it gives to the food. A piece of it will do a magic at home. Fantis also call it atinkwem. So this side is the basin side. It's a different method over here before it goes to the other side. And over there is the sea. So as soon as they get a fish, they start processing over here. As soon as they get the fish, they start processing. So all this is salted food and so much price. And this is disgusting, no? God damn it. At this point it's not healthy, but because there's salt around it, it's a different thing. And moreover, the food or the fish will be boiled, will be cooked, will be processed in a different way, so we consider it as healthy. They'll first store it over here for 10 days, then before it goes to the other side where everything is being solidified. So this kind of basin where fish has been kept with salt, preserve fish with salt so that we can have longer lifespan for it. Because it's soaked for 10 days, that makes the fish very soft, and after 10 days they pack everything on bench and dry it with sack and tarpaulin to prevent it from getting hard. That's why when you buy Momoni or Tinkwem, all different kinds of fish been salted here. Wow. And this is Momoni. Man, it's amazing. Exported in Senegal or exported in Europe? Okay, so after everything is exported to Europe. Wow. So all these places, they're full of fish, salted fish, from herring to salmon to redfish to tuna. Man, they basically have everything. They have everything, anything. Everything. Yeah. Yeah, so this is squid or octopus. Yeah. So this is a market, a very big marketplace. It's not really a market. It's a place that they process this kind of fish, salted fish and meat. Okay, and as he said, after everything, they export them to Europe. Man, this is a big place. Like people do come here and buy them in stocks and in bunch. Wow. You see that the place over there parking and loading. Yeah, they're spotting outside Senegal. The whole place.
Look at it, man.
Yeah, look how big this thing looks like. Wow.
Welcome. The rokan,
So, kind of catfish, big size. Wow. Man, it's a big business over here. Very big business.
It's not only fish that they process over here. They process seafood also. They have snails, they have octopus, squid. You go to the market, you get salted octopus, salted squid, salted snails. They make everything over here.
Over here is kind of the sharks, stocks and everything. So, tapata, the KAKO and yeah. So this is the real deal. You see, this one is different from the other side. The other side is more of fish, and this here is more of like the meat kind of, yeah, the stock fish. The apata, as you can see, apatreos apata. Yeah, see that one? Yeah, very big one. Wow. See that? Wow. Yeah. So all these things are seafood. Like, man, they go deep to get this kind of meat over here. Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like it.
Yeah. Yeah. So this is shark, and a shark stock meat over here.
C'est important.
Wow.
Ça c'est pour la mer.
Stock fish and meat over here. Yeah.
Requin plat.
Wow.
Jambi.
Potato. Oh, this is baby sharks. See their faces. I did the denture. So these ones are done, and they are ready for a spot. See how dry they look like. All looking at me, but I'm watching Sindaco homo. We're being on customer saying, Rocco. So basically, it's about fish processing result here in Senegal.
Voilà la bouche. Silvoire. En haut et en bas.
Amber, okay. Yeah. Amber. Okay. Man, I thought it's only Gabon that they do this kind of stuff, but here in Senegal too, they have salted or stocked fish and meat over here in Senegal. Saleh, just near the seaside, 50 meters at the seaside, and they process everything over here like that. A big company, a big business for the individuals over here.
Complet.
Wow.
Là quoi. Regarde photo.
Okay. Yeah, so those of you in Europe who have been buying this kind of stock fish, this is where it's done. Yeah, if you're in Canada, USA, Europe, wherever, like just name it, this is where they do it. You know what I mean? Really? Where? Really? Well, I saw someone in Senegal who knows me. Unbelievable. You follow me on Facebook? Really? Are you Ghanaian?
I'm a Ghanaian.
Oh! Oh, this guy so much hard though. I don't treat that to call.
Oh,
You can cheat. It's what's off for now. What's more? Man, this guy's like a man in Senegal. Longer than man, this guy far gone. So you've been here for a long time?
yeah, long time.
Wow. I saw you work over here.
Yeah.
And that was business.
24/7. It's normal.
It's normal. You make money, right?
Small.
Better than home. Exactly. Man, I just met someone, Ghanaian man in Senegal, who watches my video. This is amazing. Small world, you know. Small world. Interesting. What's your first name? Adams. Okay. Big house. Thanks.
Yeah, so if you're into this kind of business and you want to buy some from them from Senegal for them to export to Ghana or Europe, you can call Adams, okay, on the number on the screen, and he will sort you out. Yeah. So basically, this is how stockfish or salted fish is done or is being processed. Yeah. And I hope you like this. It's a bit disgusting at a point during the process, but yeah, there's a proverb that says we need one at time. If the eye doesn't see, it's not disgusting. Or kodo. Let's meet again for Shizm Mondays. So make sure you share, you subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother. I'm out.